So if you click on the link provided in the description below, you will find this workbook available to you. It's pretty simple and basic in its format. Along the bottom there's 6 different tabs broken into 2 different categories, one for men, one for women, and within those categories there are 2 subcategories, one for average speed, one for hours, and one for distance traveled. Each of the worksheets has 3 columns across the top. The first column represents the metrics for the particular column tab that you selected. The second column over represents a percentage of the population that is grouped within that particular metric, whether it's average speed or whatever. And then the last column shows your comparison, or how you compare to other people within the whole sampling. Okay, so if we take a look at this first tab that deals with average speed for men, you can see that I've got a box highlighted that I've bracketed out that I feel represents the numbers that I spoke about earlier. In other words, for 15, 16, and 17 miles an hour, if you're riding at that speed, you're riding anywhere from 55 to 75% faster than all other riders who are male. And if we change to the tab for distance, you can see that if you ride anywhere from 37 to 68 miles in a week, then you are riding either you're riding between 55 and maybe 75% further than other riders in the same group. So finally we have a tab for hours, and this, just as the other tabs show, it kind of categorizes how much more time you spend riding than other people do if you are riding a certain amount of hours per week. And again, I have a box here indicating where I believe you are above average or better than most people.